Okay, so we're going to cut this into 12 rolls. I'm going to go ahead and do 12 rolls on mine as well, even though I have a little bit less dough. And I'm going to get out a knife for this. Yours are going to be a little bit bigger than mine. They're going to be about 1.5 inches in size. Mine, I'm guessing, will be closer to 1 inch. So the way I like to do this is cut down the center first, like figure out like right where the middle is, and cut there. And then I like to take this next one, cut it in the middle, and do the same thing on the other side. It's just for me, it's hard to visualize what is 1.5 inches and how do I keep this even. So if I do this where I cut like it into smaller pieces, it helps me. Okay, so now we have these 4 pieces, and what we're going to do is we need to cut each of these into 3. So if you even want to score it a little bit, like scoring means just like a little cut so you can kind of see. So I've just scored it, which means I've just done that little cut on the top, just so I can kind of see, all right, yeah, that looks good. Like I'm going to cut it there, and I'm going to cut it there, and that's going to give me 3 pretty equal pieces. All right, and that's what we're going to do for each of those. You don't have to score each one, but in the first one if you want to, just to get a good idea. Look at that. Whew, looks good. And as you're doing them, you can go ahead and start putting them into your pan. I always put, personally, I don't know if it matters. I normally do the end down because I feel like it kind of like it's looser, so I put it down towards the bottom. Ooh, those look so pretty. All right, let's do my next one. Love the spiral on this. Will all mine fit in this pan? Actually, I told you I had a little bit of a different amount of dough than you have. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. It's going to be close. Yeah, came apart. I'm going to have to get a second little pan. We'll see. Can I arrange that? All right, so you just want to put all of them in. They're going to all, you know how cinnamon rolls are. They all like cook together, right? So it's okay. Yeah, they're going to be in here. This is a little tight on mine, but you should have more room on yours because you have a bigger pan than mine. I guess mine's like kind of in between sizes, huh? Ooh, that's too tight. Okay, I don't know. Can I just cook one in a muffin pan? Maybe. All right, there we go. All right. Okay, so once you get them all in there, what you're going to do is you're going to cover it tightly, and we need to let this rise again. Again, another rise. You can do this one overnight as well, but if you do it, you really don't want to let it go over 16 hours, okay? So a lot of people like to do this, you know, before, say, Christmas morning or something, or some sort of, you know, special brunch, lunch that you're doing, and then they will get it out. Now, if you are doing this overnight, you need to let it sit on your counter for an hour or two for the temperature to come up, because if not, it'll be too cold. Okay, so we're going to do one more video, talk about all the things that you're going to do after class.